اللهم صل على محمد وعلى آل محمد كما صليت على إبراهيم وعلى آل إبراهيم إنك حميد مجيد.
The action from the Bernabeu as Real Madrid face Barcelona. It is true to say there's no love lost between these two sides, Real Madrid and Barcelona, and today they find themselves on a collision course here at the Bernabeu. I'm Derek Ray in the commentary position. Sitting alongside me, ready to provide expert analysis, is Stuart Robson. Stuart, it's a privilege to be here.
Well, it certainly is, Derek. This is a bitter rivalry between two of Europe's best, and I just can't wait for this one. It should be an absolute classic.
Here's the starting 11 for Real Madrid. Thibaut Courtois begins in goal. Carvajal starts with Ferland Mendy in the fullback positions. Toni Kroos starts with Casemiro in the centre of the pitch. And the lead striker today is Karim Benzema. Has a go. Well, it smacks into the... gloves of the goalkeeper. And space for them here on the flank. Long way out this. Well, he didn't miss by very much at all. Ronald Araujo. Frankie de Jong. Karim Benzema, who's played at such a high level in an attacking sense for so long. Stuart, what do you anticipate seeing from him here?
Well, he's the most creative player on the field. He can run with the ball, he can get himself out of tight situations.
Oh, they could be in here, Stuart. Superb save.
Well, he should score, of course, but that's a brilliant save.
Can someone get on the end of this? Well, the clearance half-hearted. Threat over for now, it seems. That's very effective, good high pressing. Jordi Alba. Sergio Busquets. Tactically quite clear what they're doing, trying to get right on top of their opponents. Good effort here! Well, the keeper did his job. Didn't really have to work hard, in all honesty. Superb defensive judgment to end the attack. Well, he went strongly into the challenge, and the result is a throw-in. Modric. Asensio. Well, offside by the merest of margins. Real Madrid have given us away. Depay, and in with a real chance. Oh, a save of the highest order.
Well, he got his angles absolutely right. What a good save that is.
Has someone to play it to. And the challenge halts them in their tracks. And continues his run. Opportunity to deliver the cross. A very timely interception. Measured pass intended for Dembele here. And return to Aubameyang, making sure it didn't get past him. And it will be a free kick to Real Madrid. Well, he knows he's on his last warning after that one.
Well, I don't think it warranted a yellow card. He made a genuine attempt to play the ball there.
So hard to overcome Jordi Alba. Moving into the advanced position. A mischievous effort. Can they stop it going in? Well, last gasp defending, but brilliant defending.
Well, I still can't believe that didn't go in, Derek. It's a fantastic stop from the keeper, you have to say.
Sergio Busquets. Still pushing for the goal that would put them ahead, but not forcing it. It is to be a throw-in. It might be the moment to get them ahead. Well, what a stop that was. Aubameyang. Oh, beating his opponent with ease. Well, in the final analysis, it was good defending. An encouraging move from Barca. Depay. Clean challenge. Benzema. Strongly in, Piqué. And breaking at pace with menace. Well, it looked highly promising, but it came to nothing in the end. And a throw-in it's going to be. Well, not hard to read that pass. Aubameyang. Well, the electronic board showing 1 additional minute. And offside, well, close one. Well, Real Madrid are going to make the change now. Karim Benzema. And that is that, half-time. Into the second half then. And these two sides are locked together. Just can't really choose between them at the moment. Mendy. Toni Kroos. Now there to intercept. And that'll be offside. Sergio Busquets. Pedri. Now can they make something happen? Takes the shot. Still could be dangerous. Will he? Well, he read that brilliantly at the back. Not quite the clearance they were hoping for. Well, the verdict as regards Memphis Depay in the first half. Can do better, Stuart.
Well, he didn't contribute enough in that first half.
I think most defenders would expect to be booked, halting an attack in that fashion. Well, the referee has taken note of his name and number.
Well, I think he can count himself a bit unlucky there, but it was certainly a foul.
He takes aim. Well, it might still work out for them. Well, he had clearly drifted into an offside position.
Well, you can see from his reaction, he knew that wouldn't count. Well, just look at those stats. It's been a really good, tight game. Chances at both ends and some really enterprising forward play.
De Jong. And the keeper throws himself at the ball. Played over. Not the best clearance. Depay. Oh, breezing past him. Determined defending. Well, a disappointing effort, making the keeper's life a bit too easy. And into the last 30 minutes now. Well, he could run onto it here. Oh, should have done so much better from there. Well, just couldn't keep the ball. Promising move from Barcelona. Memphis Depay! Chance maybe. Well, threat averted. They've won back possession. Pedri. Aubameyang. Oh, really good reflexes and danger averted. So deciding to make a personnel change at this juncture. And the short option preferred. Cuts it back. And still an opportunity. Poor pass. He'll try his luck here. Well, the goalkeeper is thankful that it wasn't a better effort than it actually was. De Jong. And just narrowly wide.
Well, it's a good effort from that range, but I think the keeper had it covered.
Vinicius Junior. Well, he could really get at the opposition. And options in the centre. And you need your defender to take charge. And they continue to advance. And a lot of options here. Superb block. Well, this could be a chance for Real Madrid to jump ahead from a corner.
Well, this is a big moment, and don't these fans know it?
Well, the keeper performing brilliantly.
Well, that's just incredible. He reacted so quickly there.
Over it comes. And a good take under duress there. Araujo. Sergio Busquets. Now with De Jong. Depay. Well, can they nudge in front late on here? Can they forge ahead? No! And all because of the goalkeeper. Margins.
Well, he has done well there, but he should have won the game. They probably won't get another chance now.
There to take it away. Clear foul, but a Real Madrid advantage. Breaking at pace. Oh, in with a chance! What an important save given the scoreline.
Yeah, you're absolutely right, Derek. That's a big save so late in the game. He's just saved his team there.
De Jong. And Real's creative tendencies coming to the fore. Casemiro. Well, really fine goalkeeping, good diving stop. A well-taken Real Madrid corner could be so important at this stage. Well, they are committed to making the substitution here. Delivering it. And the problem not completely solved. But it looked so threatening, but the danger averted. Tremendous ball played through. Well, such a disappointment. 0-0 it remains.
Well, that should have been the winner. He just lacked composure when it mattered most.
Sergio Busquets. And that is that. The full-time whistle here.